It's time to break out the sanders and the body shop tools. I got about 300 rock chips in the front of this car. I know exactly when it happened. It happened when I was driving between Las Vegas and Yosemite. And I also got some rust I gotta fix. Since the bumpers are off, the bumper has just as many rock chips in it. And the rear bumper is, it was so low that it's bottomed out so many times from going into gas stations. There's like no paint left on the bottom of it from scraping. So look, I know it's easy to get overwhelmed when you're dealing with like a big project. But what I like to do is I like to just isolate it and do one panel at a time. Like I could conquer these two doors and get the rust off of that and try to do the whole thing all at once. It's just too much. It's like too much for me. I like to just do one panel. And also it's important to identify what are you trying to do. Like me, I'm just trying to like go on a road trip, drive around the world. I'm not trying to build a show car. Now I have taken this to car shows and I have won awards, but I'm not trying to do that right now. I just want to fix these rock chips because they're rusting through here, and I want to fix the rust because that's really bad. But most of this car is pretty good. So identify it, set goals. My goal for today is to do this front panel. I'm not going to paint the panel, but get it in the primer, fix all the chips, and get it ready. And then tomorrow's goal will be to fix the doors. You know, just set priority goals. And so actually, I'm not even going to do that much sanding. I'm just going to fill it with the primer surfacer. So I did a little bit of sanding, and now we're just going to get it in primer. I'm going to put 3 coats of the primer heavy build surfacer on it, just real quick. I know it's annoying to tape stuff up. That's why I have a drop cloth and a big, huge, I have my RV cover, a 30-foot RV cover, so I don't have to do a ton of taping. I just want to do this little section. Well, darn, we got some holes. We have to grab the welder. I think we got some time. We got the front pretty much there. It's only like 1:30. Let's do some welding. Let's weld up those holes. Antique white. It's about a half a quart there. I hope that's enough because I'm running out. Actually, it came out really nice. Looks good, smooth. Got it all back together, painted the bumpers, got all the rock chips out.